Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Ihsan Fajar S and I from IPSC 2018. In this video, I will show you the simple experiment that called a mini cloud. The material that you need to make a mini cloud are boiling water, large glass jars, match, and some of ice cube. How to make a mini cloud? First is pour boiling water into glass. And then discard most of the contents. And then light a match on the glass. Hold it briefly, then drop it into the glass. After that, you can put the ice cube on the glass. The clouds will start to form in the glass. Why it can be happen? The atmosphere needs three ingredients to make a cloud. First is warm, moist air. Second is cooling, which causes the moisture to leave. And the third is cloud condensation nuclei or CCN. CCN is a very small particle that can float in the air to help water vapor condense into clouds. In Hawaii, for example, the most common CCN are sea salt aerosols, but CCN can also be dust, smoke, air pollution, or volcanic fog. By pouring hot water into a jar and trapping it, you can create warm, moist air. As the warm air inside the jar rose, it was then cooled by the ice on top of the jar. When the water vapor cooled, it wanted to turn back into liquid, but it needed to condense onto a surface. The aerosol provided cloud condensation nuclei, a surface for the water vapor to condense into tiny clouds droplets. The clouds swirled inside the jar due to the circulation of warm air rising, the cold air sinking. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.